Is how to disable contacts on TikTok completely for free. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. One, assuming you have the TikTok app on your iPhone or Android device, open up the TikTok app. And go down in the bottom right hand screen and click Profile. On your TikTok account or your profile, you want to go to the top right hand screen to the shoe icon. Click these three icons right here. Icon next to the shoe icon. Then once here, you want to scroll all the way down to the fourth icon, settings and privacy. This is where the cool part comes in, because basically if you were to go to privacy, or the second option, you want to scroll down until you see the option which says this: suggest your account to others and sync contacts and Facebook friends. The second option, contacts and Facebook friends. Basically this should be checked or unchecked. If it's checked, you can see it's going to say find contacts, and you can click don't allow or open settings. Again, you can do the same thing with Facebook friends. Just click this right here, and now it's basically going to say TikTok wants to use Facebook and to sync your friends. That's how you disable contacts on TikTok completely for free. Enjoy.